Hello, I wanted to introduce you to this hand brush by Skinova. This hand brush is handmade and you can tell. The quality on this is absolutely amazing. These braids are so tight. It is indestructible. The greatest thing about this is you're gonna find so many areas to use this in that you didn't even know you needed it for. I absolutely love using it to dust up around my plants. I've used it to dust my lampshade, the blinds. They are so handy. What I love about this one is that it fits so well into your hand. It's great for doing like small detail work. The bamboo handle is just stunning. It has this great little loop for when you're done. You can hang it for wherever is convenient. I am so impressed with this. This one is the 13-inch hand broom, and the quality, I cannot get over the quality of this. The bristles are really soft on here, so you can do more detailed work, more delicate things like your lampshades. I am so impressed, so happy with it, and I know you will be too.